GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about backup heating sources for your home. And some of you are probably saying, well, hey, I got a wood burning stove. I don't need a backup source. Yeah, you do. I got a wood burning stove too, and I have several backup sources because what happens if it's an unusually cold winter and you run out of firewood and you can't get more firewood? You always need to have a backup heating source. So if you do have a wood burning stove, but your primary source is your furnace, then your wood stove becomes one of your backup heating sources, but only if you have firewood for it. Other types of backup heating sources, kerosene heaters, like the Kerosene or one of the other ones. Propane heaters, like I did the review on the My Buddy heater. And I'll put a link to that one up here, but it was done over on my Camp Patton Family Compound channel. So I'll put the link up there to go over to that. And there are a number of other little small heaters that you can get to help heat your home. Sometimes it's going to be advantageous not to heat the entire home, but just yourself, like the little pocket heaters and the pocket warmers and stuff for your hands and stuff, just to keep yourself warm, because the power's out or whatever's happened to your main source of heat's not working. It's just going to be a short time. Someone hits the power pole and the power is out for a couple hours, and you don't want to break out everything else and get propane heaters going, your kerosene heaters going, because it's only going to be for a couple hours. So you just put on extra coats and pocket warmers or whatever, and Zippo pocket warmer is great, and you use something like that, and that's what you do to get by for a couple hours. So when you're looking at the backup heat sources for your home, what are the reasons you're going to need them? That's one of the things you need to look into first. Figure out, why am I going to need it? How long is this situation going to last? And what do I need to have that will last that long? All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps, both in food, water, and other supplies. And this is why.